I'm confused. Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? So today I am back. I'm a little sick, so please excuse my voice, but today I'm coming to introduce you guys not to a stranger, but to someone that I've actually talked about before on my channel, and their name is Soufeel Jewelry. The reason why I'm bringing this to my channel again is because, one, they have bomb stuff, and since the last time that I've spoken about them, they've had new arrivals and stuff like that I wanted to talk about with you guys and show you what I got. And then also, this is a really good last minute Valentine's Day gift type of thing. And then also, if anybody's birthday or anything like that is coming up, you know, Mother's Day is right around the corner, so it's Father's Day. I mean, it's not around the corner, but it's coming, so let's just get prepared. So let's just get right into the video, okay? And if you guys are interested in buying any of these things and you want to receive 15% off of your purchase, you can go ahead and use my coupon code. My coupon code is ALEJS15. If you use that coupon code, you'll get 15% off, so get your money off while you can, okay? From my knowledge, this coupon code does not expire, so use it as many times as you guys want and for as many purchases that you have. So the first item that I want to show you guys is the necklace that I'm wearing. Let me pull it out. And this is a photo necklace. Now, and I'm going to link all this stuff in the description box as well. So the one that I got is the engraved heart tag. So it's a heart, and you can put, like, if it's for your boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatever, you can put y'all's picture in here, but then also you could put some writing on the back. So let me come a little closer so you guys can get like the full effect. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a picture of me. And then it says established, you can't see that, but it says established 2015. So mine says Lexus Hair established 2015, and then it has my picture on it. I just like having stuff on my face on it, so that was my reasoning for getting it. And I'm looking at the website right now, and it says it is $19.95. And it's actually, yeah, it's usually $40, but right now it is 50% off. They may be having a Valentine's Day sale. Valentine's Day gift ideas up to 75% off right now. So after I upload this video and I tell you all about it, y'all can't say y'all didn't know because I'm putting y'all on. See, originally $40 and it's only $19.95, 20 bucks right now. And they're also adding the engraving and the letters or the writing, whatever you want on the back, for free. Now, I'll get this out. The second piece of jewelry that I wanted to show you guys is the Soulful name bracelet. Now, if you guys watched my previous video about Soulful, then you've seen my name necklaces, and I didn't want to get another name like necklace, so I decided to get a name bracelet. Okay, so let me show you guys the bracelet. Has my name on it, okay? For the bracelet, it's like a regular bracelet. I got the gold one, and it actually has two loops where you can actually connect it to your arm. So I've gotten bracelets where, you know, they only had one hole, so it was like it was hanging off. It was either too big or too small, too tight, something like that. But I couldn't get it on by myself. So, but this is the bracelet, the name bracelet that I got. Now, looking on the website right now with the Valentine's Day gift idea, 75% off sale, up to 75% off sale. The bracelet is 14K gold plated, and it is 33% off right now. It's $29.95, and it's normally $45. And you can put your name or nickname or whoever's name on there. Even if you're not getting it for a significant other, get it for yourself. Shoot, buy yourself something else. Ice yourself out. I mean, it's not ice, but you know what I'm trying to say. Now, y'all, for this last one, Soulful went all out for this one. Look at this. The last thing I got came in this container here. Okay, it says Soulful on it, and I'm going to open it up for you guys. And do you see how pretty that is? It's a ring. And this is the container they sent it to me in. So assuming that it's Valentine's Day themed, this is really, really cute. Get into it. Now the ring that I got is it's a letter ring, and then you can put whoever's birthstone on the little diamond. Okay, so I can't find the ring on the website right now, but the ring I have is like a letter gold plated ring with a birthstone. So I don't know if you guys can see that. And my birthstone is sapphire, so for my Virgo babies. So there is my little ring. I've browsed their website plenty of times before. They have so many rings, bracelets, necklaces, all types of stuff. Like I said, it's not just for couples. There's a lot of stuff on there that you could just go and buy for yourself. Even my mom, she's gotten the necklace that says Lex's hair on it. And when people ask her, she's like, oh, my daughter has a YouTube channel. This is her YouTube name. Go subscribe, da-da-da-da. Like, that's her way of promoting for me. She just got a necklace with my name on it. And when people see that it doesn't say her name, they ask her about it. So it's a cool way to also brand yourself as well, and represent your brand. That's why I always get the stuff, get stuff with my name and my face on it, stuff like that, so people can ask me about it, and I kind of just advertise without me actually having to say anything first. But then also, of course, for Valentine's Day, for all my lovers out there, guys and girls, they have stuff for men and women. So you guys make sure you go ahead and check out their website. Comment below. Let me know if you bought anything from them. If you liked it, what was your experience and stuff like that. If you guys decide to purchase, make sure you use my 15% off coupon code to get some coins off. The coupon code is ALEJS 15, and you'll receive 15% off. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little jewelry show off, and if this video was up before Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there, the single people, the people that's in a relationship, the people that's married, the people that's divorced, everybody, happy Valentine's Day. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.
Mine, I bought it, it's mine, I bought it, it's mine, I bought it.